Ready, start, para. A property registration case generally arises when there is a dispute, irregularity, challenge, or legal issue concerning the registration of an immovable property document such as a scale deed, gift deed, mortgage, lease, or partition instrument. Registration is a crucial legal process because it gives public notice of the transaction, establishes authenticity of documents, and protects the rights of the parties involved. The process usually begins with the execution of the document by the transferor and transferee, followed by presentation before the competent sub-registrar within the prescribed limitation period. One of the most important requirements in property registration is verification of title, documents, identity proofs, stamp duty, payment, and compliance with statutory formalities. Any defect in these steps may later give rise to a registration related dispute. A case may arise where one party alleges fraud, impersonation, forgery, undervaluation, lack of consent, defective execution, or illegal transfer of title. In such situations, the aggrieved party may approach the civil court seeking declaration, cancellation of the registered document, injunction, or other consequential relief. Another common issue arises when the registering authority refuses registration on grounds of deficiency in stamp duty, improper presentation, lack of jurisdiction, or suspicion regarding execution. In such cases, the affected party may challenge the refusal before the appellate or competent authority as provided under registration law. Another important aspect of understanding a property registration case is the role of documentary evidence, sale deeds, prior title papers, encumbrance certificates, revenue records, mutation entries, possession proof, and witness testimony often become central to the adjudication. The court examines whether the document was lawfully executed, whether consideration was paid, whether the executant had legal title, and whether registration was carried out in accordance with statutory provisions. Jurisdiction is another critical factor as suits concerning property documents must generally be filed before the court having territorial authority over the location of the property another significant issue. In such cases, is the effect of registration on third party rights, because a registered document creates legal presumption that may influence future transactions and litigation. Interim relief in the nature of stay, status quo, or injunction is often sought to prevent further transfer during the pendency of the case. In practical property litigation, useful scrutiny of title, history, and registration records often determines the strength of the claim. This supports understanding a property registration case lies in examining lawful execution, registration, validity, documentary proof, and judicial remedies so that ownership rights may be protected according to law. Full stop. Over.